everybody and welcome to Prudent Media. You're with me, Danushka Rigam, and you must be wondering what I'm doing during this heavy election time. But have we all forgotten that it's the leap year and today is the 29th of February, a leap day which comes once in 4 years. And I have a whole lot of things lined up for you in today's program. Starting first with we go and we meet a lot of people, some of which we couldn't contact, but a lot of people in Goa do celebrate their birthday on the 29th of February. So let's go and interview some of these people and let's know how they exactly celebrate their birthday. After that, let's also talk about some of the famous people like Morarji Desai and also our Indian hockey player Adam Sinclair, who also celebrates his birthday on the 29th of February. After that, we go on to meet a butt in Mapsa who's going to tell us about how a leap year is exactly, whether it's lucky or unlucky for people. We also tell you some myths and stories, and a leap year is supposed to be special for frogs. Now, we also go to a hospital in Panjim and visit the hospital and find out whether mothers who are pregnant like to deliver on the 29th of February or do they prefer not to choose the 29th of February for their kid. So we have a whole lot of things lined up for you in this program. But first, let's go and meet all the people who we could gather who celebrate their birthday on the 29th of February. So come with me.
February 29th is a day which occurs every 4 years and is called a leap day, mainly because the Earth does not orbit around the Sun in 365 days. It is also a year which people consider to be either lucky or unlucky.
As I said earlier in the show, we're going to go around Goa and trying to meet some of the people who celebrate their birthdays on the 29th of February. The first person I have today is a priest who is in the Para parish, and I have with me Father Roland Carvalho. Happy birthday, Father.
Thank you, Danushka.
How do you feel, Father, that you are a leapling and you are born on the 29th of February?
To tell you frankly, I feel very happy and feel that is my day.
Okay.
Yes, and other days I don't feel like that is my birthday. Even people wish me, but when 29th comes and when the leap year, the beginning of the leap year only, I feel the happiness that it is my birthday.
Okay, so do you anticipate your birthday like this year is going to get over and then it's going to come after 4 years? So do you already start planning like my birthday is going to come after 4 years and I'm going to like celebrate?
No, I have to eagerly wait for that day, wait for another four years to celebrate my birthday.
Okay, so what are the celebrations that you're going to have today?
First of all, there was a mass today in the morning at 7 o'clock where the people participated, and around 1 o'clock we'll be cutting of the cake and the lunch for my parishioners as well as my family members and for my friends.
So what's going to be the menu, because it's Lent season and I'm sure most of the times your birthday does fall in the Lent.
It does.
So what's the menu?
Menu will be normal.
Normal menu.
Normal menu.
And do you get 4 times the gifts on the 29th because you've not got gifts the 3 previous years?
I think so.
Do you get it?
I get many gifts, which I think so are more than sufficient for the next 4 years.
And for the people born on the 29th of February are considered to be having very unique traits and qualities. So you're a priest, you're definitely blessed by God. That is one greatest unique quality that you have.
Yeah.
So what are some of the unique qualities do you also possess being a leapling?
First of all, to thank you, Danushka. I'm very grateful to God because He has gifted me with very many gifts. Very many gifts. First of all, I love singing. I'm a good singer. As my people say, that I'm a good preacher and well organizer. I want things to be very systematic, kept in order, so that whoever comes, he has to get the things in right place. That's my one thing. Going out to help others, making friends. My hobbies are many. Collecting stamps. Even now I collect stamps. Okay. Coin collection, different currency collection, currency collection. Then making different types of posters where different peoples of wordings of different people saying nice quotations, put them so that people learn certain things. Direct message through the pictures.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so
I keep myself busy gardening.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what is your plan for this year? Like how do you want 2012 to be for you this year? What do you want special of this year?
What special I would say? God can grant me good health. Yes, and whatever gifts that He wants me with that I should be with.
Thank you so much, Father, for joining us on Prudent. I'm sure everybody watching here is going to be praying for you, and all the wishes of everybody go out to you on behalf of me. So thank you, Father, and wish you a very happy day and a wonderful year.
Thank you, Danushka, and God bless you.
So my second stop after Para, after talking to Father Roland, is at the Saligaon Seminary, and I have with me Father Derek Fernandez, actually from Betalbati, who is the music professor at the Saligaon Seminary, who also celebrates his birthday on 29th February. Happy birthday, Father.
Thank you.
How do you feel, Father, being born on 29th February? You are a leapling.
I feel very lucky, in fact, because it's a rare opportunity, and I wait for this day. Though there are many who celebrate either on 20th or 1st, but I keep this day because I think it's a gift from God itself to me. So I feel very happy, and I do it in a very grand way.
Okay, so what's the party going to be like? Is the party going to be in the afternoon, in the night?
Yeah, afternoon I'll be having here with my friends, the seminary students, the staff, and then people around, and then evening at my place in Betalbati night.
And Father, do you used to, when you were young and your birthday used to come after 4 years, I'm sure you used to not be happy at then, but now once you've grown up, now you feel lucky. So what was the thing that used to go on in your mind when you were a kid?
I used to tell my mummy that means I have to tell my parents that why did they choose this day, my mummy especially. But it was all God's plan, and I used to feel sad because I feel I should see others every year they are celebrating their birthday, and mine used to come to 4 years. So I was feeling very sad, but now I feel happy. I feel lucky actually.
And do you get a gift 4 times bigger?
Gift is the same, but there's some specialty in that. Yeah, I don't don't wait for the gifts as such, but wait for the people, because people especially they remember this date, and they wait for the day.
And you must be among some of the few people in Goa who also share the same birthday. So how many people do you know who share the same birthday as you besides Father Roland? I'm sure because I think you are the only two priests so far in Goa who share the same birthday.
Yeah. In my village there are three of them. There is one I know by Frederick by name. He also joined the seminary, but afterwards he left. So I remember him and I pray for him.
Okay. And what is the extraordinary qualities do you have? Because a person born on 29th of February is supposed to have extraordinary qualities. One is that you're a priest, and the same thing I told Father Roland. And you also teach music. So what else do we?
I don't boast of many qualities, but people say that there are many qualities in me, and I don't want to highlight them. One thing is about music, maybe it's God's gift to me. The message I want to give on this day is on my birthday. People usually consider leap year as a very unlucky year, and they don't. Some of them they don't marry even. And I know one person whose actually birthday is on leap year, but he doesn't celebrate. He either celebrates on 28th or on 1st. But I would just want to tell people, it is God's gift. Every day is a God's gift. There is no day as a cursed day like. So thank God for every day. Thank God for your gift, and make the best of the day, I would say. Yeah. So here is Father Derek wishing everyone, especially the leap year birthday celebrants. May God bless you, each and every one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear leap year celebrant. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams.
I have with me somebody who I interviewed 4 years ago on the same day who celebrates her birthday on the 29th of February. And once again I have with me Kavita Shirorkar. So Kavita, happy birthday. कशें दिसता तुका की आयज तुजो बर्थडे परतून 4 वर्सांनी आयला?
म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता आनी एवरी 4 इयर्सान येता म्हणून व्हडली पार्टी आसता आनी म्हाजी फ्रेंडां बीन मीस करता आपणाचो बर्थडे 29th आसता म्हणून.
तुजी फ्रेंड हे चिंता की तांचोय बर्थडे 29 आसतो तर तेन्ना तुका एक्स्ट्रा खोशी दिसता म्हणजे तांकां जेलस करपाक कशें आनी 4 वर्सां पयलीं आनी आयज हांव तुजो इंटरव्यू घेता तर तूं म्हाका सांगू येता की ह्या 4 वर्सान तुजें लायफ कितलें बदललां आनी कितें बरें गुण तुज्या बद्दल आयला
खूब गुण आयल्यार आनी
तेन्ना तूं खंयच्या स्टँडर्डान आहलें
तेन्ना 7th आसलें
तर आयज 12थान आहा तूं
ना 11th
11थान आनी which stream are you studying in?
science.
You're doing science.
Yeah.
And what do you want to do further in life?
I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. Have you decided which field do you want to take up?
No, I didn't decide yet.
You didn't decide yet. And what are the extraordinary qualities? Because people who are born on 29th of February, तांकां extraordinary qualities येता. तर तुका अशें दिसता की तुज्या बद्दल कितें एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज आहा जे आनीक कोणाकूच ना तशें
तशें कांय ना
तशें कांय ना सो यू आर नॉट एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी
No.
यू आर जस्ट नॉर्मल
Yeah.
ओके एंड व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस ईयर फॉर योर बर्थडे
Lots of friends and love from family and happiness.
happiness and not lots of gifts
Yeah, yeah, sure.
lots of gifts so do you get gifts 4 times bigger the size
No?
no so normally when it is not a leap year tu birthday celebrate kashe karta
We cut a cake, small cake, and then
on which day on 28th or on the 1st
no, on 28th.
on 28th
Yeah.
okay. So you are happy that you're born on the 29th of February
Yeah.
you are so you've stitched new clothes and stuff
Yeah.
okay. So happy birthday once again and may you have a wonderful year this year.
Thank you.
I have with me 2 people sitting down here, Preeti and Prashant Desai, and they are a couple. And if you're thinking it's their wedding anniversary on the 29th, you're highly mistaken. Actually, it's Preeti's birthday, and the reason I have Prashant along with me is it's because it's her first birthday with her husband since they've just got married 2 months ago. So Preeti, तूं आमकां सांगूंक जाता की हो तुजो पयलो बर्थडे लग्न जावन तर तुका कितले खोशी जाता आनी की तूं कितें एक्सपेक्ट करता प्रशांत तुका करतलो म्हणून
हांव खूब खूश आसा आनी तेंच्यांनी म्हाज्या बर्थडे खातीर एक पार्टी ऑर्गनायज केला आनी चड खूश आसा कित्याक पयलीं म्हणजे हांव एकाच फॅमिली वांगडा करतालें आतां दोनूय फॅमिली म्हणजे म्हज्या मम्माले सायडीची आनी हेंच्या सायडींची दोनूय फॅमिली मेळून बर्थडे करतले
आनी जेन्ना तूं धाकटें आसलें तेन्ना तूं चिंतालें की म्हजो बर्थडे 4 वर्सान येता म्हाका गिफ्ट मेळना म्हाका पार्टी ना केक कातून तो तेन्ना तूं कितें करतालें म्हणजे ल्हान
तेन्ना पयलीं दुसऱ्यांचो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करतना म्हाका म्हणजे मातशें मनाक वायट दिसतालें की म्हजो कित्याक बर्थडे येना पण जेन्ना म्हाज्या मम्मा पप्पान म्हणलें पळय सगळीं जाणां वर्सान वर्स करता पण तुजो 4 वर्सांनी पण आमी ग्रँड सेलिब्रेट करता तेन्नाच्यान म्हाका मागीर खोशी जावंक लागली
तर सगळे 4 वर्सांनी तुजो बर्थडे ग्रँड सेलिब्रेट केला
हय सगळेंच
तर आमकां सगल्यांक जे आतां कोण तुजो प्रोग्राम पळयता तर आमकां सगल्यांक पार्टीक इन्विटेशन आहा
हय श्योर
आनी तुका कशें दिसता तुज्या बायलेचो बर्थडे 29 फेब्रुवारीचेर आहा
Yeah, it is a unique birth date, so I am very happy about it.
एंड पीपल जे कोण बर्थडे आपलो 29 फेब्रुवारी मनयतात तांकां एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज आसा तर ह्या 2 म्हयन्यान तुवें तुज्या बायलेन कसले एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वॉलिटीज पळयल्या जे आनीक कोणाक ना
Yeah, I feel she is very good, and yeah, she have very good qualities in her.
okay and would you want to sing happy birthday for your wife
Yeah, wish you many happy returns of the day.